Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another daily plan with me. Today I am planning for the week of June 6th through June 12th in my daily planner. I am going to have another busy week, working and still in my training class. I'm in my training class until June 15th, and then we start production. I'm not sure if we're going to get a few days off and then start production, or if they're going to allow us to go ahead and start production. I'm not sure. I think I want days off. The 15th is a Wednesday. I think I would definitely take that the rest of the week and start on Monday. We're essentially our own bosses, so whatever schedule we choose is when we start work. So I would rather have the rest of the week off to decompress and then start production that Monday. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how I feel. Right now I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm gonna have a quick doctor's appointment on Wednesday of this week, I believe. Yeah, the 8th. But it's a nurse visit, really. So I'll be in and out. So hopefully nothing too invasive. I think I gotta get a shot. Other than that, just doing the same thing this week. Working and training. So I'm filming this on the Saturday before the week starts. I decided today that I would get up. Sorry about the shaky cam. That is so crooked. I can't peel it up though because I'm not using my removable stickers. Anyway, I decided today that I would pull out my silhouette portrait and play around with it today. So after I finish this, that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. I use a Cricut Maker right now, and I do everything on the Cricut Maker. I make my stickers, I make my vinyl t-shirts. Yeah, I do everything with my Cricut. But I have been playing around with Silhouette Studio. Fun fact, I bought this silhouette portrait last year. So I've probably had it for a year. It's been in my closet. I also have a Cricut Explorer Air 2 in my closet. Don't ask me why. But anyway, I have been playing around with Silhouette Studio a little bit. Not as much as I've wanted to. But I can do basic things. That's so messed up. I can do basic things in Silhouette Studio, but I'm going to start out like I started out with my Cricut, and I'm just going to sorry about that. Wanted to count up my 7 days of stickers. I'm going to start out just like I started out with my Cricut, and just by uploading pre-made things. When I first started using my Cricut, I didn't design things in Cricut like I do with these stickers now. I would just upload a SVG or a PNG and print it out, whether I was doing t-shirts or stickers or whatever the case may be. The silhouette portrait, I only plan on using it for stickers. So the first project that I want to do is some printable stickers that I got off of Etsy. And I want to try the ones that I showed you all that day that it has some miscuts. I think it came with a silhouette file, so I'm gonna try to recut that on the portrait. So that's what I'm gonna start out doing. Trying to get good at, well, trying to get the settings together with the portrait. So it'll do the Kiss Cut stickers and also cut around the sticker sheets. We're trying to figure out how to do that with the Cricut. It wasn't necessarily a nightmare. It was just really difficult to find information on how to do Kiss Cut stickers, and then also how to get the Cricut to cut all the way around your sticker sheet. It was it was difficult, to say the least, to figure that out. I'm like, people would explain it, but they wouldn't go into detail, and then they wouldn't really show you. For example, they may say, all right, to get that perfect cut, I need to put 5 of these in here. And it's like, okay, but what does that mean? So someone finally sent me a video, which I appreciated, that made a little bit more sense. And then after, usually with YouTube, once you finally get the correct keywords to search for, other videos start popping up about it. So finally, after watching that one video and then finding another perfect video that literally explained from start to finish, that's when I learned how to have the Cricut cut all the way around my sticker sheet like this. Instead of me taking my paper cutter and cutting these, I get the Cricut to cut around my sticker sheet like this. Now with the Kiss Cut settings, I did a Google search, and it popped up just plain as day. The sticker paper that I use on their website, they have a PDF with all of their sticker paper and the Kiss Cut setting that you need to use for the Cricut. It was like all the stars were aligning. All of the stars were aligning. So, but with the Silhouette, Portrait, and Cameo, it does that for you. It's kind of built in. So you just choose whatever settings, which I have to figure out. But it won't be as difficult. I won't have to go on a scavenger hunt like I did with the Cricut because it's already built into Silhouette to actually do that for you, to cut around the sticker sheet. So that's awesome. So after I finish filming this, and I think I want to film one more thing, and after that I will start with the Silhouette Portrait for the rest of the day. Today, Saturday, and then part of the day tomorrow. Silhouette Studio, just with watching videos, seems like it has just a little bit more capability than Cricut Design Space. So although I'm used to Cricut Design Space, it's easy for me to maneuver now. I cannot continue to let that machine sit in my closet and collect dust. And a lot of sticker shops use Silhouette. And I want to do more with the stickers that I'm creating. So there's that. Sorry, my chair is making so much noise. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Not sure what I'm doing next weekend. Actually, my friend, I don't know if I've ever told you this, my friend who lives in Augusta, she's running in some half marathon next Sunday. And she's bringing her daughter, and she wants me to hang out with her daughter while she runs. I thought I had gotten out of it. Oh boy. I thought as her daughter would get older, I would get out of it. I do recognize that times have changed and you can't always leave a teenager by themselves somewhere. But the reason I was trying to get out of it is I had to get up at 5 in the morning, and that's just not my thing. I have tried over the years to say, oh, you know what, I'm gonna get up at 5 a.m. I'm gonna exercise, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. It's not my thing. 6 a.m. is a lot better for me than 5. And even 6 is pushing it. More like 6:37 is my sweet spot. But I have to get up at 5 a.m. Hopefully she never watches this video. I doubt she ever will. Because we're not into the same things. She's into running. I'm not running anywhere unless somebody's chasing me. And she's not into sewing, crafting, planning, any of these things. So she may not never watch this video. Anyway, yeah, I have to get up at 5, drive downtown Atlanta, which is not my favorite thing to do. I hate downtown Atlanta. I would say only good thing is that it is early in the morning, but you're going to have other racers driving down there as well, which is going to back traffic up because there's thousands of people that come and run these races. So yeah, her daughter's 13. I'm gonna do it, even though I know I'm sitting here complaining. I'm gonna do it. Her daughter's 13, and she doesn't want to leave her in the hotel room alone. And I'm thinking, first off, she's probably going to be asleep. That's the first thing. It's 5 in the morning. What teenagers up there early? So I'm like, you know, she's probably going to be asleep anyway. That early in the morning. And by the time she finished the race, she may or may not be getting up. You know, I was the type of teenager, and I do realize it's been a long time since I've been a teenager. I was the type of teenager that my mom told me to do something, I did it. Like, if my mom was running in a half marathon, which was very unlikely, and she said, all right, when I'm getting ready to walk down here to the starting point, you need to put the latch on the door. I'm going to stand out here until I hear you put the latch on the door. And you can go back to sleep. I will call you when I'm done with the race. And when I get to the door, that's when you remove this latch off the door. Because I'm complaining like a brat. I'm putting the wrong numbers down. It is the 6th through the 12th, not the 12th. Anyway, so yeah, next Sunday, unless some miracle happens and she has she used to have a sister that lived in Gainesville. I don't know where her sister lives now. So unless one of her sisters decide, you know what? That's what I get for complaining. Now I can't get my sticker up. and I can't reuse it. You know, unless one of her sisters or something like that, like, you know what, I want to meet you in Atlanta, I'll come. That's the only way I'm getting out of it. The last time this happened, her daughter ended up running with her because her daughter's on the track team. But after that race, her daughter said, I will never do this again, which I don't blame her. Running a 400 is much different from running 13 miles. So, yeah, that's what I'll be doing next. Not this Sunday, next Sunday. So keep me in your prayers because I'm going to be Grouchy McGroucherson at 5 a.m. next Sunday morning. I pray that it does not rain, and I pray that it's not super cold in the morning, because I don't know if her daughter's going to want to stay in the room or if she's going to want to go down. I'm going to suggest that we wait a couple of hours, because it usually takes her mom about 2 hours and 15, 30 minutes to run it. I'm going to suggest that we, you know, give a little time and then we meet her at the finish line. I got to get another 12 sticker. Because I really do not want to sit outside the whole time. I'd rather stay in the hotel and fall back asleep. Because whenever I have to do things like this that I technically don't want to do, I don't sleep well the night before. I'm agitated and I toss and turn. So I already know if I'm in the bed by midnight, I'm not going to sleep well. I already know it. It happens every time. Every time she comes, she used to come and stay with me. Now she gets hotels now pretty much, but she used to come and stay with me, and I would drive her down there and sit and wait. And I would be so anxious the whole night. I can't go to sleep. And by the time I do doze off, the alarm is going off. So, and hopefully I don't sound like a terrible friend. I love my friend. It's just that this is just not my thing. And I love helping people out and doing things for people, but I thought I was done with this particular friend duty. Anyway, I'm a terrible friend. All right, so I got my next week in. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening to me ramble. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you in the next video.